In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Harvest. Whether you're freelancing, managing a small business, or just need a tool for keeping track of your invoices efficiently, Harvest is a fantastic platform. Let me walk you through the process so you can handle your invoicing needs with ease and confidence. To start off, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head on over to Harvest by entering the URL or using the link you might have bookmarked previously. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the timesheet section. Now this is essentially where you'll find yourself on the business dashboard of Harvest. Next, direct your attention to the top menu and click on Invoices. This step takes you to the dedicated section where you can manage everything related to invoicing. It's here that you'll be able to see any past invoices you've created as well as begin new ones. Once you're in the Invoices section, look for a button or link that says New Invoice. Clicking this is your gateway to creating a fresh invoice from scratch or based on your tracked activities. With that done, it's time to select your client. You'll notice an option or a drop-down menu labeled Client. Click on this and choose from existing clients you've worked or are currently working with. If your client isn't already in the system, don't worry, there's always an option to add a new client later. After selecting your client, move on to selecting the type of invoice you'd like to create. There are two primary options you'll be considering here. You can create an invoice for tracked time and expenses, which is perfect if you're billing for specific hours worked and any expenses incurred on a project. Alternatively, you might prefer creating a free-form invoice, which gives you more flexibility to specify various line items as you see fit. If you've decided to create a free-form invoice and realize you need to input a client that isn't already listed, simply venture to the New Client option. This process allows you to easily add client details and keep your records comprehensive and organized. Once everything's been configured to your liking, the next move is to click on Next Step. This action takes you further along in the process of finalizing your invoice. At this point, you can review your details, make any necessary adjustments, and then proceed to save or send out your completed invoice. And that's it! You've now created an invoice in Harvest. As you can see, the process is quite straightforward, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to manage your invoicing tasks swiftly and effectively. Remember, routine use of Harvest not only keeps your billing tasks orderly, but also provides valuable insights into your business finances. Happy invoicing, and I'll see you in the next video.